Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up encryption for sensitive user data in mobile apps step by step clearly. First, identify the sensitive user data that requires encryption. This may include personal information, passwords, or payment details.
Next, choose an appropriate encryption algorithm. AES, or Advanced Encryption Standard, is widely recommended for its security and efficiency. Incorporate an encryption library into your mobile app. For iOS, consider using the Common Crypto library. For Android, the javax.crypto package is a good choice. Establish a key management strategy.
This involves securely generating, storing, and rotating encryption keys.
Generate a strong encryption key. Use a secure random number generator to create your key.
Next, implement the encryption logic in your app. When storing sensitive data, convert it into encrypted format using the algorithm.
Ensure you properly initialize the encryption parameters, like mode and padding. Test the encryption process thoroughly to ensure data integrity. Decryption should be implemented similarly to encryption.
Always perform encryption and decryption operations on a secure thread.
Document your encryption processes and key management strategies.
This will provide clarity for maintenance and future audits.
Finally, keep your libraries and dependencies up to date.
Regularly review your encryption practices to stay compliant with security standards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.